What's up, you guys? It's Rami. I've been gone for a minute, a long minute, I know. This life's been getting in the way, a lot of stuff happening. My other businesses have been really busy. But I wanted to put out this quick short video. I had somebody ask about the AWE exhaust and if you can hear it from inside the cabin or not. So I'm going to take a quick cruise so that you can see what I hear. Hopefully my phone will pick it up. I'm at 3,000 RPMs. Hopefully you guys can hear that, because yes, you can hear the exhaust from within the cabin. And if you roll the windows down, you hear it much louder. And if I'm just cruising and I'm not revving the engine, or if I even put it in third gear, then I can be incognito, as they say. Hope this helps in your decision making. Have a good one. Peace.